Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. Today we will talk about mode, and if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So in the previous lecture of our Biostat lecture series, we have talked about central tendency, and we have seen that central tendency could be measured by three ways: mean, median and mode. We have already talked about mean and median. Let's see what is mode. So mode is the value occurring most frequently in the data set. Suppose we have this data set. Here mode is 3 since the number 3 occurs thrice in the data set, which has highest frequency compared to others. Now, when one mode is present in the data set, then the set is called unimodal. For example, we have this data set. Here, mode is 3, and this is a unimodal data set since only one mode 3 is present here. When two modes are present in a data set, then the set is called bimodal. For example, we have this data set. Since both 3 and 5 are repeated 3 times in the data set, here we have two modes. One is 3, another is 5. Hence, this is a bimodal data set. When 3 modes are present in a data set, then the set is called trimodal. For example, we have this data set. Here, 2, 3 and 5 are the mode of the data set since 2, 3 and 5 are repeated 3 times in the data set. Hence, this is a trimodal data set. When more than 3 modes are present in a data set, then the set is called multimodal. For example, we have this data set. Here, 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the mode of the data set since 2, 3, 5 and 7 are repeated 3 times in the data set. Hence, this is a multimodal data set. When no value in a data set appears more than once, then the data set has no mode. So, in this example, no mode is present. Now, let's see how to determine the mode for ungrouped data. So, find out the mode from the following data set. This is our data set. So, mode is 18 here since the number 18 occurs twice in the data set, which has highest frequency compared to others. Let's see how to determine mode for grouped data. So, find out the mode from the following data set. So, in this row, we have few classes, and in this row, we have frequencies of the respective classes. So, this is the formula we can use to calculate mode. Here, the modal class is 20 to 30. This class, since it has highest frequency in this data set, that is 12. 12 is highest right here. So, compared to others, now L is equal to lower limit of the modal class, that is 20. F1 is equal to frequency of the modal class, that is 12. We can find it in this table that 12 is the frequency of the modal class. F0 is the frequency of the preceding modal class, that is 5. So we can find it here that 5 is the frequency of the preceding modal class. F2 is equal to frequency of the succeeding modal class, that is 8. So we can find it in this table that 8 is the frequency of the succeeding modal class. Age is equal to the class width, that is 30 minus 20 is equal to 10. So if we put all these values in this formula, we can find mode. So mode is 26.4.